So there are certain things that you need to remember about the availability zone. So to achieve any sort of comprehensive business continuity on Azure, like there should be any sort of no failures or it should be highly available. And if there is any sort of a disaster happen, everything should be available. Then you should go with the availability zone plus Azure regional pairs. Then you will get your application in a good manner, like there is no failures for that particular application. And there are certain services that support multi availability zones, like if you see Windows and Linux VMs are supporting availability zones, and you can have a VM scale sets, managed disk, SQL databases, event hubs, VPN gateway, express route. So these are the various services that support the availability zones.